Ramp's reconciliation tool is built to help you close your books fast and confidently, ensuring balance between your Ramp statements and accounting provider. Next to accounting settings, you can navigate to the reconciliation report directly on the Ramp platform. Here, you can filter by period and see an overview of your Ramp balance summary compared with your accounting provider's balance summary for transactions on Ramp Card. The report is able to identify one unmatched transaction from what we're seeing in QuickBooks and within Ramp. If I go to all transactions, I can see what's coming from Ramp, what's pulled in from QuickBooks, and I can even click directly into the transaction in QuickBooks if needed. Now, about that currently unmatched transaction. When I open unmatched transactions, I can see an expense on QuickBooks side that doesn't exist in Ramp. When I click View, it will take me to that expense record in QuickBooks. Here we can see it's an insurance expense for $846. Now, as the accountant, I know this change shouldn't be on Ramp Card. It comes directly out of the bank account. From here, I can make this change and go ahead and save. Navigating back to Ramp, I can refresh the report, and in a matter of moments, we will see our balances are equal. From here, I can download a PDF or a CSV for my own records. Next, let's switch to another period. Here we can see while the beginning balances match, card spend is slightly higher in Ramp than within QuickBooks, while statement payments still align. When I open the unmatched transactions, I can see there's one Ramp transaction that hasn't synced over yet, a $347 charge from December. At the top, Ramp alerts me that once I sync this transaction over, my balances within QuickBooks will match. To do this, I'll navigate back to the main accounting tab, identify the unmatched transaction, mark it as ready to sync, and when ready, sync it over directly into QuickBooks. When the sync is complete, I can navigate back to my reconciliation report and see that this period has been reconciled, and my balance between Ramp and QuickBooks matches. Ramp's reconciliation tool helps finance teams close their books fast and confidently. For more information, head to Ramp's Help Center.